TGS GNSS RTK, serving as a modern surveying solution that prioritizes precision and ease of operation in the field. With real-time centimeter-level accuracy, every measurement becomes faster, more precise, and highly reliable. Powered by multi-constellation technology and comprehensive connectivity like radio, 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, TGS GNSS RTK is ready for use in a wide range of field conditions, from open areas to challenging terrain. Equipped with 1,507 multi-GNSS channels, supporting GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and QZSS, it delivers stronger, more consistent signal reception and stable measurement performance. Its RTK accuracy reaches 10 millimeters in the horizontal direction and 15 millimeters in the vertical direction, with an initialization time less than 5 seconds, making surveying work more efficient and significantly improving the productivity. Supports multiple surveying methods, including RTK radio, N-trip, and static surveying. It offers flexible capabilities for detailed mapping, control point establishment, stakeout, and large-scale infrastructure projects. With IMU tilt compensation up to 60 degrees, accurate measurements can still be obtained even when the pole is not perfectly leveled. The integrated 4-in-1 antenna is designed to provide enhanced stability and maximum durability in field operations. All survey operations are easily controlled through the GIS Survey mobile app, giving you full control directly from your hand. GNSS RTK by Technogis. High precision, reliable performance. A modern surveying solution for today's needs. It's time to shift to a new standard in geospatial measurement with Technogis.